It is time for one of the best festivals of the year, रक्षाबंधन. क्योंकि एज अ सिस्टर मुझे तो सिर्फ गिफ्ट्स ही मिलते हैं. But if you are watching to gift your sister a watch, then this is the video for you. Because today I'm talking about watches that you can give to your sister, or basically watches for women. So when you look up women's watches on Amazon, this is what you see. The basic वही pink, sparkles, beads ये वो, and also this fossil. बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू, हाँ ये वॉचेस शायद देखने में बहुत स्पार्कली अच्छी लगेंगी बट दे वोंट लास्ट. इनके बीड्स और ये डेकोरेशंस भी नहीं लास्ट करेंगी और इनका मूवमेंट क्वालिटी भी बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है क्योंकि ये फैशन वॉचेस हैं. यू कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो दैट आई डिड अबाउट स्कैम्स इन द वॉच इंडस्ट्री एंड फैशन वॉचेस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट वंस. So if you are looking to buy watches for your sister, please just buy one from one of the brands that I'm going to be talking about today. तो हर किसी का स्टाइल अलग होता है. कुछ लोगों को चाहिए एकदम एक्सेसरी वाली वॉच जो ऐसा लगता है कि ज्वेलरी ही पहनी है आपने. कुछ लोगों को चाहिए डेली वेयर के लिए वॉच, यू नो, फॉर गोइंग टू स्कूल और कॉलेज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई टू कवर मोस्टली एवरी टाइप, सो यू कैन सी वॉट यू लाइक. I'm going to cap the watches amount at around 10,000 क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा I don't really think, like उससे ज़्यादा तो आपको बहुत अच्छी watches मिल जाएंगी and 10,000 पे भी काफ़ी अच्छी मिल ही जाती हैं. And I will try to cover all the price ranges. So let's start. Obviously the first one is the F91W. This is great for men and women. It's a very unisex watch. It's very vintage. So if you want to buy something for your younger sister, I feel like this you can definitely go for it. It's a very classic watch. बहुत अच्छी लगने वाली है ये. Other than that, it's lightweight. It has also a lot of other color variants like all of these. But this one, the most iconic one, retails for 1,295, and here are its dimensions. Let's say you don't want to get this because ये तो सबके पास ही है आजकल. This is another really cute watch that you can get for your sister. This one retails for 1,995 and I just love the grey and the pink together. लेकिन इसमें बहुत सारे color options भी हैं और ये बहुत छोटी watch है. Like these are the dimensions. ये बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी है. So yeah, I think it's so cute, especially because of how small it is. Those were very casual watches, like definitely for school or college. But if you want something more sophisticated, then you can get the Cartier Tank. Or if you can't afford that, you can get the Casio Tank. And I myself got this last year for Raksha Bandhan. And this is a great, amazing watch. Yes, the dial is quite small, but it looks great on my wrists. And also, I love the Sunray Burst dial with the Roman numerals. This is very sophisticated. अगर ड्रेस वॉच चाहिए लेकिन कुछ स्पार्कल गोल्ड या ऐसा कुछ नहीं चाहिए, यू वांट समथिंग वेरी क्लासी एंड सोफिस्टिकेटेड, डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस. इसमें और भी वेरिएंट्स आते हैं बट दिस विद द लेदर बैंड रिटेल्स फॉर 2,495 एंड हियर आर द डायमेंशंस ऑफ दिस वॉच. If you do want to watch a full review on it done by me, you can click on the video here. Moving on, let's say you want a round dial, you can get this. It retails for 3,595 and here are its dimensions. This is a very classy metallic watch, but you can also get some leather variants here. This is a watch which you can get in a pair. That means you can get men and women both. So if you want to match with your sister, then definitely this is a great option. And also the idea of like matching with your sister is very cute. The Casio Tank is also very popular. So if you want something जो थोड़ा अलग है, सबके पास नहीं है, तो ये भी एक ऑप्शन है. इसका डायल बहुत रेक्टेंगुलर है लेकिन ये भी बहुत अच्छी दिखती है. इसके ये सारे मेटल वेरिएंट्स हैं. दीज रिटेल फॉर 3,695 और ये लेदर वेरिएंट्स भी हैं विच रिटेल फॉर 3,995. हियर आर द केस डायमेंशंस. नेक्स्ट अप इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट वॉचेस because oh my god, look at that dial. It has a little cat on it. It's so cute. Oh my god, the dial is very small but I don't care. I don't care that it's just a brown leather strap. The cat is so cute. It retails for 2,695. There are some variants of this watch where I saw some dolphins and you know, stuff like that. This one has, I think, a dog on it. ये जो सारी वॉचेस थी, दिस वॉज फ्रॉम द मेन कैसियो ब्रांड, बट कैसियो का एक सब ब्रांड है कॉल्ड शीन विच ओनली फोकसेज ऑन वुमेन्स के वॉचेस. These Shein watches are more expensive than their normal watches and that is because all of them are very thin on purpose. They have 5 bar water resistance, and also the designs are way more complicated. So this one is one of the cheaper ones. You can already tell कि इसका dial बहुत complicated है, and the waves are not just printed, they are embossed with a color gradient. So that is why this retails for 8,495. Again, इसमें भी 5 bar water resistance है, that is common amongst all Shein watches. Here are the dimensions, and इसमें और भी colors available हैं. I personally really like the blue one, but इस पूरे collection में there is this purple gradient, blue, green, yellow, so you do get a lot of options. Let's look at another Shein watch. This one, as you can see, looks like a proper watch because of so many subdials, but it is not a chronograph. The subdials there are for the day, a 24-hour subdial, and for a date. Yes, this one retails for 8,795. इसमें भी you can get other variants. इस वाली watch के बाहर studs हैं, and I think it's important to note कि जो studs वाली watches होंगी, obviously उसमें risk रहेगा कि वो studs निकल जाएंगे, और एक बार वो निकल गए तो इतने अच्छे नहीं लगते. So if you are buying a watch with studs on it, please be careful. Like this one, this is a very beautiful watch. Like इसका dial ही देख लो. This is again a very elegant but sporty looking watch. हाँ, बाहर studs हैं, but the inside of the dial is very pretty. So this is another watch which is very dressy looking because it has studs on the outside. This retails for 8,995. It has another color variant in pink. If you like the inner dial of the last watch, then you'll definitely like this one, because just look at that dial. This one though retails for 10,995, and I feel like it is just purely because of the dial, क्योंकि इसमें और कुछ भी नहीं है. It does not even have that many complications. The last Shein watch that I'm covering is this one. It is more minimalistic compared to the others. It retails for 10,995, quite expensive, but I really like the colors. They are very unique. You can also get these other variants. How can I not talk about the Casio digital watches? These digital watches का एक काफ़ी standard size होता है. They are almost pretty much like this. So they can suit almost every wrist. Here are some of the watches that I think are great for gifting. So this first one in gold, because sometimes you just want something to wear with a dress or a sari, and this is great. It is not completely traditional, but it keeps the spirit of, you know, that classy spirit alive. It retails for 4,995, और इसके भी बहुत variants हैं. ये क्लासिक एक डिजिटल वॉच ही है, इसमें सारे फीचर्स भी डिजिटल वॉचेस वाले ही हैं. So that was Casio. It is a very reliable and reputational brand, so it is always safe buying from a brand like that. But if you want to explore more options, you can choose Raga by Titan, which is another watch line just focused on women. But these are a bit more expensive, but you'll definitely understand why when you look at the watches. Let's see these. All of these watches don't have a traditional strap. ये सारी वॉचेस का जो स्ट्रैप है वो बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम ही ड्रेसी है, यू नो, एंड इट इज़ समथिंग दैट विल कैच योर अटेंशन. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई थिंक दीज आर सो एक्सपेंसिव, क्योंकि इनके डायल्स कैन बी प्लेन समटाइम्स, बट इनके स्ट्रैप्स ही इतने ज़्यादा एक्सट्रावेगेंट होते हैं दैट इट लुक्स लाइक यू आर जस्ट वेयरिंग ज्वेलरी ऑन योर रिस्ट. So if you want something like that, if you want something to wear just on special occasions, or if you want something that is truly very dressy and just feels like jewelry, then definitely go for Raga. इनके बहुत सारे collections हैं like Power Pearls, New You, Delight, and you can explore all of these. Like this is the Pearls collection. So if you know someone who doesn't like wearing watches but उनको jewelry पहनना पसंद है, उनको bracelets पहनना पसंद है, then this can be a good option. क्योंकि barely वो एक watch जैसी दिखती है. It is not a traditional watch at all. It is very dressy. Don't worry, not all watches by Titan are that expensive. जैसे ये वाली हैं, these are actually quite cheap. But you can tell why they are cheap. इसमें सिर्फ एक leather band ही है. Even the dial is not as extravagant. So if you want something like this, I'd recommend Casio over this. But जैसे this one, this retails for 3,995, but it's still very jewelry like, very bracelet type. And then I would like to cover, अगर तुम्हें एक watch देनी है एक truly watch enthusiast को, then they will love this watch. I am talking about HMT watches. So on the HMT website मैंने देखा कि ये अभी भी मिल रही हैं. I mean when you click on them you can tell, you know, add to cart and whatever. उसके आगे मैंने check नहीं किया if they're actually delivering in all the places or not, but you can definitely give it a try. And these also have a sale going on right now. I can see 15% off on many of these. You will also get a lot of variety here. जैसे इसमें resin वाली भी हैं, metal वाली भी हैं, इतने सारे dial colors भी हैं. So definitely अगर कोई watch enthusiast को देनी है तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. Other than that, again, अगर कोई ऐसी वॉच देनी है जो पूरी वॉच जैसी ना लगे तो वो भी हैं. These 3 in gold. These are relatively very cheap and they also have a discount going on right now. तो ये भी एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन होगा. But what if the person you're buying for doesn't like traditional things? What if they want to be different? What if they're quite unique? Then you can check out these conversation style watches by Kalaksh. So Kalaksh makes conversation style watches which have a non-traditional dial and non-traditional hands. So you can definitely get those. And they also focus on niches. So let's say you're a Potterhead, they have a watch for that. Let's say you're a big fan of Van Gogh, they have a watch for that. So those were my recommendations. If you have any other recommendations, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.